Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your screen rotation in your Honor Magic V5 isn't working. So actually, there's a couple of quick fixes to your phone. At first, go to your quick settings panel, swipe from the top right corner to the bottom, and here search for the auto rotate. Disable this option and enable this option back again. Now it should work. Let's open our phone like that and check if it does work. As you can see, it does. If it doesn't, we have to test it into different applications. So under the Facebook, check if here in the Facebook it does work. As you can see, I don't have my Facebook set up, so it won't. But for example, photos, gallery, it works here. In calendar, it does. In notes, it does. So as you can see, in every single thing, it should work. So if it does work in the apps, but it's not working in the home screen only, just restart your phone. So now if it doesn't work only, or just works in only the apps, restart your phone. So hold the volume down button here and the side button, volume up button, pardon me, and the side button. Tap restart and touch to restart back again. Now our phone should be started and the sensors, the gyroscope should be like new. So let's wait a moment until our phone boots up. Now our phone is booted up, let's unlock it, and now it should work. Let's check if it does work for you, but if it doesn't, now I do recommend to go into the safe mode and check the app interference. So hold, as I said, volume up and side button, and hold the finger on the power off for a second. It should boot you up to the safe mode. I don't really think that that will be booted up in the safe mode right now. I think that our phone is now turned off, but you should be booted up now in the safe mode, and there check if there is some app interference. If there is, there are no third-party applications in the safe mode, so that's a pity actually. And yeah, so if it does work in the safe mode, uninstall app by app that you have recently installed in the system itself. But if it doesn't work here as well, update your software to fix sensor issues. So let's wait until our phone boots up again. And if you don't have any update, you have to contact the customer service to fix your phone. There's only one fix like this. Now let's unlock our phone. Let's go to the settings, scroll down to the system and updates, tap software update, and tap on new version. As you can see here, we do have the update. So if you have the update, to update your phone. If you don't, as I said, contact the customer service that your phone is not working and you want the refund or your phone fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found this video of help, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye!